Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today we're doing a blue ink from KWZ Sheen Machine. Thanks go out to pen friend Liz for providing the sample for this review. This is going to be an uploaded video because I'm not feeling very well today, so yeah. Anyway, so thanks Liz for providing the sample for this review. Alright, let's take a look here. We have KWZ Sheen Machine. Now without the light on, it's just a nice dark blue ink. But we put a little bit of light on it, and you can kind of see where it gets Sheen Machine from. Or maybe not from this sample, but you can definitely see it around the, oh, there it is. Around the little splotch. And here is our ink swatch, as you can definitely see in the ink swatch. Ooh, look at all that red sheen. Wow. Blue, purple, blue, purple. So, and here is our ink splotch that will make a wonderful postcard one day. Kind of looks like a foot. Anyway, or a shoe. And here is our toilet paper chromatography. Okay, let's do some paper review, shall we? This is the Pen and Gear Memo Book from Walmart.com. Lots of sheen. No feathering. Tiny bits of ghosting. I might still use the backside of this paper. 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. Sheen. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. 80 GSM Rhodia dot pad. No feathering. No bleeding. Tiny bits of ghosting. I might still use the backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Qua 85 GSM. Lots of sheen. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Ayush 100 GSM paper. Don't notice my fat finger swipe. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Shows out the sheen real nice. Okay, this is the Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store, and I went to the 99-cent store and they still have the Premier Journal. So, this is still valid. It does look like it's trying to feather into the page, and it did bleed through. I would not use the back side of this paper. 80 GSM Nemesine. Nice amount of sheen. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. Let's see, is there any sheen? I don't really. Oh, I see one little tiny bloop of sheen right there. That's it. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Lamy Booklet 90 GSM. I don't see any sheen on this paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. Teeny tiny bit of ghosting. I might still use the backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper. Lots of sheen. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Mead wide ruled notebook paper. Feathered into the page. And it bled through. I would not use the backside of this paper. CVS Caliber notebook paper. Look at all that sheen. Oh, it's beautiful. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. No sheen. Does look like it's trying to spread into the page, but it did not ghost. I would totally use backside of this paper. Unison composition book from Target for 50 cents. Nice sheen. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Okay, let's do a comparison panel. This is KWZ Sheen Machine. Next to Robert Oster Lake of Fire. Organic Studio Ralph Waldo Emerson Twilight Blue. Noodler's Baltimore Canyon Blue. Diamond Radiant Blue. Califolio Mediterranean. Ferris Wheel Press Timeless Blue. Diamond Thunderbolt. Diatramentus Robert Louis Stevenson South Seas Blue. Freedom of the Starry Skies Blue. Birmingham Pen Company Angelfish. Sailor Manyo Konagi. Diamond Florida Blue. Pilot Iroshizuku Konpeki. Diamond Blue Lightning. Monteverde Capri Blue. KWZ Hawaii Blue. Organic Studio Nitrogen. Diamond Havasu Turquoise. Noodler's Navajo Turquoise. Birmingham Blizzard Twinkle, and Jerbon Kyanite du Nepal. Let's look at some other blues. This is Noodler's Bay State Blue. Roar and Klinger Koenigs Blau. Diamond Maureen. Diamond Stargazer. Diamond Storm. Diamond Monteverde Blue Velvet Cake. Diamond Bloody Brexit. Colorverse Stars and Stripes. Diatramentus Columbia Blue Copper. Pure Pens Saltire. Diamond Skull and Roses. Fountain Pen Revolution Blue Black. Twisby Midnight Blue. Noodler's Midnight Blue. Diatramentus Steel Blue. Colorverse Cat. Diamond Ruby Blues. Private Reserve DC Super Show Blue. Diamond Michael. Diamond Deep Dark Blue. Diamond Herbert. Venta Inks Blue Blood. And this is KWZ Sheen Machine, and this is what it's supposed to look like. So we're gonna keep this one. So, what did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a blue with some sheen in it? Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all, so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So take care until then. Okay, love you, bye. Have a great day.